Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Signs and symptoms of a miscarriage. The medical term for miscarriage is spontaneous abortion. It is one of the most common complications associated with early pregnancy. Pregnancy is a wonderful time for a woman, but without knowing it may end in a miscarriage. Hence, it would be beneficial to know about the signs and symptoms that may lead to a miscarriage to be safe. Some of the symptoms that can indicate a miscarriage are mentioned as follows. Pain. If you experience severe and intolerable pain in your belly, it could be a warning sign of a miscarriage. If you also have cramps which lead to blood discharge, it can be one of the many symptoms. Miscarriages tend to cause intense cramps, which are similar to menstrual cramps but much higher in intensity. Bleeding. Bleeding is another common sign of a miscarriage. The blood discharge will be light brown or bright red, and you may bleed heavier than usual. If you bleed during pregnancy, consult a doctor immediately. Bleeding in the first trimester of pregnancy is quite common. A few blood spots on your underwear won't be a problem. However, if these light spots change to something like a regular period, you should consult a doctor soon. Ectopic pregnancy. An ectopic pregnancy is a type of pregnancy when the fetus develops outside the inner lining of the uterus. The signs and symptoms of an ectopic pregnancy are very similar to that of miscarriage, with a few more. Some of the symptoms of ectopic pregnancy are shoulder tip pain, dizziness, diarrhea, etc. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is ideal to exercise caution and visit your doctor to avoid any further complications. Symptoms of pregnancy do not persist. If a woman is about to miscarry, the common signs and symptoms of pregnancy like morning sickness, mood swings and tender breasts would no longer be there. Weight loss. If a pregnant woman has suddenly lost weight, it might be an indicator of pregnancy loss. Sometimes, some women do not experience any symptoms at all, and they only come to know about the same when they go for their regular ultrasound scan. However, this is followed by the usual symptoms of bleeding and cramping. In such a case, the embryo dies but is not expelled out. The symptoms mentioned here are signs of a miscarriage. However, not always would they lead to a miscarriage. Seek medical help and get a proper checkup to be sure.